Fuck this. Protect me through the rain, cover me through the storm. Protect my heart at night, cause I don't know what could go wrong. Protect me through the rain, cover me through the storm. Protect my heart at night, cause I don't know what could go wrong. I'm hearing shots fired, Steve died dead on the curb and say it's my time. I'ma shine, no I ain't worried. And if we pop out, we gon' slide and do them dirty. It's just fucked up, bro, they got murdered.
Dear YouTube, back out here, man, you know. Get some work done today, not too bad. You know, my guy got me motivated today. You know what I'm saying? My guy got me motivated today, man, so we back out here. You feel me? Well, shit, I'm just trying to take these wheels off for this swap meet tomorrow. So that's what we doing. Just figure shit while I'm out here, might as well take this whole front clip off, both fenders, goddamn front bumper, the ground effects. So yeah, man, that's what we on today, bro. You know, knock that out, cut y'all back on. All right, man. One small victory. Front clip is out. You know, so you're gonna see what's up. You know, we'll get this reinforcement bar off. Hopefully, try to get these fenders off. You know, call it a day. Cut y'all back on in a minute. Hey, no, man, that motherfucker got did what he needed to do.
Man, you seen the motherfucking alert control? Bro, this
got some good content, man. Great content, man. Yeah, sirs. What's the deal, man? Another day back out here. No, I ain't dropped video in a minute, but I figure what I do is put a whole bunch of videos together, you feel me, and then just drop them all together. I'm basically doing the same thing, just piece by piece, you know. But work and everything, so just taking it weekend by weekend, man. Slowly but surely getting this thing together. So today I tried to get the bumper off. I don't know what's going on, so I didn't get that. Door panels had to come off to get the doors off. Got the doors. Last video we got the fenders. That's the driver's side door. We got the front bumper, other fender, basically the whole front clip we got off last weekend. Got this door off. I got the rocker panels off on both sides. Yeah, man. Like I said, there's so much work to do. You know, just taking it time by time, man. Don't really got a timetable for it. But yeah, man, so let me see how much more I can get done with this sunlight. Get back at y'all. Slow motion better than no motion, man. Slow motion is better than no motion, dog. God damn, man, got so much work left, man. That quick, YouTube University. Got the back bumper off. So I'm gonna need a new one of these reinforcement bars. Somehow that got melted. So yeah, you're gonna be alright.
Protect me through the rain, cover me through the storm. Protect my heart at night, cause I don't know what could go wrong. Protect me through the rain, cover me through the storm. Protect my heart at night, cause I don't know what could go wrong. I'm hearing shots fired, Steve died dead on the curb and say it's my time. I'ma shine, no I ain't worried. And if we pop out, we gon' slide and do them dirty. It's just fucked up, bro, they got murdered.